Hello. So today we're going to be moving this daylily. I'm not exactly sure what kind of daylily this is, but we're not a huge fan of daylilies in general. We only like this one kind of really nice peachy color that gets large, and this clearly is not that one. So I'm going to pot it up, and we're not exactly sure what we'll do with it. We might keep it, we might give it to someone that we like. We're going to be potting this one up. We're not exactly sure what we'll do with it. We might give it to one of our friends, or we'll give it to the place that we volunteer. So in its place, we're going to be putting this Agastache Blue Fortune in its place. So I think, let me try that again. I'm not entirely sure. It seems to be somewhat maybe related to salvia. If not, at least it looks similar to it. Whatever it is, the bees really like it. I'm sure there's bees on it right now. It is really wilted, and that's just because it was extremely hot and really humid today. It was even watered this morning, but once it goes into the ground, it should last longer with each watering. So this plant gets 3 feet by 2 feet, so it's very large, and it's a zone 5, so it's pretty hardy. So I think it'll be perfect. I'm going to take the mulch away from around it, do the best that I can, without hurting this pincushion flower that's right here. Now we'll dig it out. It's gonna die. Awesome.
Is it gonna fit?
I'm gonna make it fit. Doesn't want to. Force it into a pot. Digging a bigger hole. Never mind.
Why?
Can't get deeper.
Oh.
Tip it out. Push some extra dirt away, whatever you can. And no.
Use kneeling pad as dirt holder.
Dig a better hole, or try to, at least.
Pray it fits.
See if you like the rotation. Much better. Try to pour the dirt in.
Without getting it all over the mulch.
Trying to plant things before mosquitoes come out.
Well, push the dirt that's between the root ball and the native soil down hard so that the plant isn't rocking.
Push the mulch back in.
Beautiful.